Welcome back to Answer Picker. Today, we are going to bust some of the most common tech myths that you may have heard. Let's get started. Myth number 1, Macs don't get viruses. This is a common misconception among Mac users, but it's not true. While Macs may have fewer virus attacks compared to Windows systems, they are still susceptible to malware and viruses. Myth number 2, incognito mode makes you anonymous online. This is another common myth that needs to be busted. Incognito mode only prevents your browsing history from being stored on your device. Your internet service provider and websites you visit can still track your online activity. Myth number 3, closing background apps saves battery life. This is actually not true. When you close an app, it removes it from the memory, and when you open it again, it takes more battery and resources to reload. It's better to leave frequently used apps running in the background. Myth number 4, more megapixels mean better camera quality. While megapixels play a role in camera quality, it's not the only factor. Other factors like sensor size, aperture, and image processing also contribute to image quality. Myth number 5, charging your phone overnight ruins the battery. This is not entirely true. Modern smartphones have a built-in mechanism that stops charging the battery when it's full. However, it's still recommended to unplug your phone once it's fully charged to avoid overcharging. That's all for today, folks. We hope we were able to bust some of these common tech myths and provide you with accurate information. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.